is up, Innovation family? How's everybody doing today? It's me, Brandon, from Innovation Property Atlanta, back for another video. As always, guys, remember to do me a favor and show some support. Like the video, guys. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so when I drop out new videos, you guys are in the loop on what's coming out new from me. So today's video, guys, I got hit up again from another Turo host that had questions around why are the Turo fees so high when it comes to clients booking these Turo cars, especially last minute. So we're gonna go through an example showing you guys the price of some of these cars when it comes to weekend rentals, last minute rentals, and how the whole thing works. So if you guys are new to Turo or new to my channel, it's important that you understand the Turo algorithm, you understand the pricing structure, as far as how Turo works, and how to competitively price your vehicle. But at the same time, when it comes to high fees, high insurance costs, high delivery costs, and then the price of your vehicle, some of these cars can get really expensive. So I'm gonna show you guys an example. One I did recently, I think it was a 2-day rental. I put it for today and ended on Monday. And the price of the car, I think was like $150 a day. So that was gonna be like $300 total as far as the, paying for the car to the owner. And then when you add in the delivery fee, I think it was like $120. You add in the insurance, that's like another $50. And then Turo added their fee was like $300 for the Turo fee. So all in all, most customers or clients are expecting to pay like, for this car where you're doing $150 times 2, $300 for a 2-day rental. Plus, you gotta expect fees that may be $100, $50 here and there. So you're expecting maybe to pay $400 total, and the car is $700, $800 for a 2-day rental. Like, who can really afford that on a regular basis? You might get people who need the car right away, who came into town. The airport might be out of cars. They need to get a vehicle right away. So therefore, they may book your car from time to time, or this may happen from time to time where you get that kind of booking. But as far as consistently being able to rent your cars out with this fee structure, it's not going to happen, including myself. So half of my cars are sitting this weekend because the Turo fee structure is throwing everything off for people that want to book last minute. So again, I'm showing you guys an example as I talk through this. So take that in consideration when you got your car on Turo. It's not just the pricing as far as your day-to-day, it's what kind of car you have, the year, the make, the model, all those things are taken into consideration when Turo does its fees for the client. And if those the clients are, because now they don't want to spend that much for renting a vehicle. So you guys might think, well, I'm gonna price my car, and normally you might book it, or normally it might be $100, but you guys are pricing it down to $75, $65 to get that booking. But that client still might be paying $300, $400 for that booking for those 2 days because of Turo fees and delivery and all that too. So right now, guys, it's just really, you gotta be smart with how you position yourself in this Turo market. And like I mentioned the last couple of videos, don't get over leveraged when it comes to these cars. The Turo market has completely changed from when I started 3 years ago, and year over year, it's just getting more and more tighter and a lot more red tape when it comes to the fees and how Turo has their structure set up so they can make money too on their end as they're trying to go public as far as the IPO. Last night while I was at dinner with my wife, I seen a Turo commercial actually on TV, on cable TV. So it looks like Turo's stepping up their game as far as their marketing, getting their brand, their name out there so people can start using their platform. But what comes with all those new products, new ideas, comes with expenses as far as their budget and having to pay people, pay the marketing team and all that. So they're raising their prices up too to be able to keep this business going until they probably go and get the go public as far as the IPO and get that capital so they can stay afloat and be able to increase and scale up themselves. But right now, guys, just remember, man, just like I keep telling my clients and everybody I talk to as far as my students, just take your time, 1 car at a time, 2 cars, and then see if you like doing Turo, because you might expect, even though you got a great car, a great product, it may not rent out because the people are getting charged a lot more than what you see as far as your daily price. There's so many fees on the back end. So keep that in consideration. Hope you guys have a good day. Thank you.